How to upload 1080 HD videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to upload 1080 videos on TikTok. So let's begin. So just a disclaimer, this function only works for certain users of TikTok. So if you are a user like me, you don't have or you may not have this option. But anyways, I will still teach you. And I will teach you an alternative afterwards. So make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. So now you may open your TikTok app and click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. Once you're here, you may upload a video or you may also record a new video. And then, let's say for example, I'll just record one. And then once you have recorded one, simply click on next and then click on more options. So again, this may only work for other users. You may have an option right here which says upload HD. So if you have that option, what you're going to do is to make sure to turn on the toggle button by clicking on it on the rightmost part of the screen. And then, if you don't have that option, what I would suggest for iOS users is to go to your settings and then scroll down and look for camera. And once you're in camera, make sure to click on record video and choose the 1080 HD at 30 FPS or the one on 60 FPS. But do take note that this will take a larger storage compared to the 720 HD video. So again, choose either of these two, go back, and then record on TikTok once again. Regarding the option in which you may click right here, some says that you need to have at least 10K subscribers in order to have that option, and your account should be in creators mode. So that's it. That's how you can upload 1080 HD videos on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.